Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to clear browser history on Firefox. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to any other browser and download the Mozilla Firefox browser, because it does not come with the Windows system. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the middle of the screen, we have the search bar where you can search for anything, and also in here. In the top right corner, we have the three lines, horizontal, where you have settings and all of this information. And here we also have your tabs and everything. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and clear browser history on Firefox. So first of all, click on the three horizontal lines, the menu button in the top right corner, and select settings as I described you in the start of the video. Then click on the settings. After that, click on the sidebar and click on the privacy and security, as you can see the fourth tab here. Scroll down to history, as you can see here, and click clear history. So you have it here. Firefox will remember your browsing download form and search history, clear history to clear it. In the dialog box that appears, choose the time range for which you want to clear history. So basically when you click on here, you need to go and put in which history you want to clear, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or everything. Check the boxes for the items you want to delete, such as browsing and download history, cookies, and cache. Click OK to clear the selected items from your history. This process will remove the browsing history and other selected data from Firefox, improving privacy and potentially browser performance. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.